We will now investigate how to select and manipulate the different data items that make up the field books within data acquisition. The field data we're looking at the moment is raw survey data. It's made up of points, linear features, and point features. To select any of the items, make it active, we click Select button and then select that element. That then makes it the active element within the element list. In this case, it's a linear feature. If I go to the left-hand column and right-click, I can edit the point features that make up that linear feature. We can see there are linking codes to start and end the linear feature. To modify any of these components, I can in place edit or select all three, right click and edit the selected item, DTM attribute for example. Similarly, we can select a point feature. Again, in-place editing is available for all fields. To select multiple points of the same feature type, we would expand the point feature list and then select that feature type. We now have all of the points coded as BC available in the list. Similarly, click the BL field under point features and we have all the points within field coded as BL. In the same manner, we can select multiple linear features based on their feature code. Any of these can be in place edited or selection set, right click to edit the field data. Again, go to any of these, right click, and we can edit the point features, in this case a single point. Any of the items in the linear features or point features that are colored red do not appear in the feature styles list. Let's take a look at the observations. We can select the observation, and for this point here, we could, for example, edit the horizontal angle, and the point will move. Note the observation moves and then the point is recalculated at its new location. Edit, undo will put the observation and the point back at its original location. If we disable the observations, we can use the MicroStation Select tool to hover over a point, select it, and drag it to a new location. In this situation, the observation is now out of sync with the point. This is purely a graphical edit. If we need an edit to ensure that the observation and the point remain in sync, we should modify the observation. Any modifications to the points or linear features are immediately reflected within the digital train model, any digital train model created from that data. Most of the items that are available here have a right-click option. When you hover over the item, you can right-click and edit the linear feature, edit the point feature, or convert from a linking code feature type to a point list feature type. Similarly for points, right-click, we can modify the text options. We get over the point itself and right-click, we can now edit the point feature, and for the Select Series 2 release, we have heads-up display. Available with in-place editing. We have the same for linear features. Heads-up display, you could, for example, change the feature type. The emphasis on editing has been to provide very microstation-like options, right-click coming to the forefront, and many ways to filter down to the data of interest.